American 457 Quebec, runway 22 right, line up and wait.
22 right, line up, wait, American 457 Quebec.
Currently 1444, thanks out, monitor tower, 128.8, good day.
Monitor 28.8, Spearman 1444.
Chip, American 47 Quebec, cancel takeoff, thanks.
Alright, we'll cancel and take off, clear to American 457 Quebec.
Spear range 1444, expedite, cross runway 22 right. 1444. Range 1444, tower. 457 Quebec, turn right when able. Do you require any assistance?
We don't. We'll make the next right here. It looks like maybe Quebec.
Thank you, I'm not talking to that Spirit.
Alright.
Range 1444.
1444, go ahead.
Range 1444, cross runway 22 right on Kilo, turn right on Bravo.
Cross 22 right on Kilo, right on Bravo, Spearman 1444.
American 457 Quebec, contact ground 121.9 or let them know your intentions.
Alright, 21.9 for American 457 Quebec.
JetBlue 440, pressing JetBlue 554, crossing at 22 right on Echo, contact ground 0.9.
Cross 22 right on Echo, over to ground JetBlue 554.
Ground American 457 Quebec. We're off here at Quebec. We just had to do the abort because of the Spirit down there.
American 457 Quebec, Foster Ground, Roger. Do you need a place to run any checklists or anything, or can you go back out?
Yeah, if we could have a spot, we could just look things over here real quick where we're not in anybody's way. That'd be great.
American 457 Quebec, no problem. Taxi straight ahead there, Quebec, and then right on Alpha, short of November.
All right, straight ahead Quebec, right on Alpha, short of November for American 457 Quebec.
Yeah, no problem. Just let me know when you're ready to continue.
All right, we'll do.
Nice job.
And ground American 457 Quebec. Charlie, short of November. Looks like we're going to have to go back to a gate to have maintenance take a look at things. And we're going back to Bravo 20.